Hello guys, so if you're looking to make international transaction in Barclays app, so if that's the case, you're going to the right place because today in this video I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. Now, firstly, just simply enter your PIN and log into your application. Then just simply click on Pay and Transfer. Now, just simply choose International Payments. Now over here you will find the arrow in front of From. Click on that. Then choose your bank account. Now after that, enter your amount. Now in the below flag, just simply choose the country that you want to send the amount to. Just simply choose the country, and after that you will find estimate ratio of how much money is being sent, as you can see right over here. Now after that, just simply scroll down and click on continue. Now after that, enter your recipient's name, and after that enter their country by clicking on the arrow over here, then clicking on the country over here, then hit done. Now after that, just simply enter their IBAN, international bank account number, so enter that. Then after doing that, just simply scroll down and click continue and check the box as well. So after that, you will come to this particular page, which is the review section. So over here, just simply again scroll down, and if you will have any fee, you will find over here, because most of the time you will not have to pay any fee, but in some countries or in some banks, fees are required to pay, and the fees will be paid by the sender. So keep that in mind. So after that, again scroll down and click review payment. But before clicking on review payment, you have to fill the details for the reference, the sender reference and the recipient reference, as you can see right over here. So fill those, then click on review payment. Over here, as you can see, all of your information will be over here. So scroll down, enter your security code and expiry date, then click confirm. And after that, your payment is sent. So that's it. And thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to my channel, and take care.